Yes everyone, how are we? So I'm actually looking into this Jam Sport Supercharger kit for the ST150. So I'm going to go through it now, let you know what you get, how much it is. So I'm actually considering it. I've got the Fiesta MK6 Rotrex C30 Supercharger kit here. It's £4,400, £4,500 give or take from Jam Sport store. Obviously I'm looking at the stage 2 package. Now you can keep the bottom end of the engine the same and you can keep the standard manifold as well, so you're not having to change any of that, which is banging. You get loads of stuff with this kit, so I'm just going to read it out now and let you guys know. But hopefully moving forward I am going to save up for this kit, and also at the same time as well I'm just going to do, you know, things to the appearance of the car, clean it up, make it look badass, do you know what I mean, even better than it does now. So it's one of them. But yeah, so we've got the Fiesta MK6 Rotrex C30 Supercharger kit, utilising all top quality components. This comprehensive supercharger kit with an intercooler includes all you need to boost your engine's performance, literally, you know what I mean, fucking great with the puns these are, do you know what I mean. The perfect suited centrifugal charger, I can't spell that, I can't pronounce that, it's one of them. It's manufactured by Rotrex, is a company renowned for its top spec, did you hear that, top spec, do you know what I mean, units using a wide variety of high performance applicators, including I think that 1018 bhp, something crazy, do you know what I mean. It's also compatible with a 2.3 and a 2.5 Rotrex engine. This package includes the following: Rotrex C30 centrifugal supercharger, pipe across air filter, intercooler, stainless steel TIG welded boost pipes, supercharged drive belt, silicone hoses, tensioner, oil cooler and pipe work, mounting brackets, 440cc injectors, all nuts and bolts, clips. That's brilliant. So yeah, you don't have to worry about that. I'll put in rusty bolts back. And stage 2 is designed for the standard inlet manifold, and the stage 2.5 takes advantage of the Cosworth inlet or similar. I think Cosy, you tend to, if you just stay at the 180 190 bhp bracket, it's lower bottom end torque, but obviously if you put all that on and then go for a stage 2.5, you'd be looking at about 320 brake, 330 brake just with this kit. So that's absolutely banging, and like I say, it's absolutely minimal stuff you've got to swap out as well, so that's fantastic. But yeah, we're going down this route, I think, and like I say, I'm being serious. I know, yeah, I joke about on these videos and some people don't know if I'm being serious with things, but I think this is a genuine route we're going to go down. It'll be fun, and like I say, everyone's going to enjoy the content, and it's something different, isn't it? So it's one of them. But yeah, we're definitely looking at this, guys, and yeah, we'll see how we get on. Stay tuned, and we're going to get this proper tuned up supercharged kit. And the reason I'm getting a supercharger is I can do you lot bottom end anyway, do you know what I mean. Top end, it's not a problem at the minute, and it's just going to be absolutely fun at the bottom end now. So I'll see you all top end.